Welcome to Qatar Airways B777-300ER business class. Offer an exceptional travel experience. Passengers are greeted with a spacious cabin adorned with an elegant decor. The comfortable lie-flat seats are equipped with the advanced technology, providing ultimate relaxation and privacy. An ample table, extensive storage ensure convenience during your journey. Passengers can indulge in substantial meal prepared by their own chefs or enjoy a selection of wine and beverages. The state-of-the-art entertainment system offers a vast array of movie, TV shows, and music options. Additional, passengers have an access to Wi-Fi connectivity and a personal power supply. Qatar Airways B77-300ER business class redefined luxury air travel, ensuring a memorable and enjoyable journey. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching. Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. You all must be thinking how awesome would it be to try Qatar Airways business class? Well, that got us everyone dreaming too. Just imagine how great it is to fly with the economy class, then what more if it's where in the business class, right? Even we pay more, at least we get more what we expect. What do I need to expect from Qatar Airways business class? Just like we have known, they have an excellent and quality service. Please join me to enjoy this Qatar Airways B77-300ER business class from Qatar to Frankfurt, Germany. Welcome to Almojan Lounge Qatar. As a quick summary, there was a huge area of lounge with a different motifs of decorations in every corner. You can choose where you stay depending on your preference to relax and to sit. There are a bunch of a huge choices of international cuisine food, even though an area for a sushi lover. There have a buffet if you want to choose from your own, or you can still order an a la carte for your food and drinks while you are on your comfortable seats. What the best part of this lounge, if ever you want only to stay sleep and relax, they have also a seats or area rooms for your convenience. Qatar Airways Qsuite redefine luxury travel with a focus on passenger comfort and privacy. These suites offer a personal oasis in the sky. Each Qsuite features a sliding door, transforming the seats into a private cabin. Passengers can unwind fully flat bed with a luxurious bedding, ensuring that the restful sleep. That innovative quad design allows group of travelers to create a private space perfect for a families or business colleagues. Indulge in the gourmet dining experience with the a la carte menu accompanied by a world-class beverages, entertainment options, and endless with a widescreen monitor. noise-canceling headphones, and the high-speed Wi-Fi. Qatar Airways Qsuite amenities ensure an unforgettable journey for every travelers. This small side will be the storage of headsets, water, or any of your small belongings items like charger, small bags, and etc. Normally, this is not what we book seats from the original booking what we need because Qatar Airways always change the aircraft and they generate the seats of their choice. After our complaint to the managers or supervisor, they are trying to find a way or solutions after everyone is on board. And instead of the window side, we are transferring to the middle seats, which are we prepared to stay. Qatar Airways Qsuite is a premium cabin concept designed to provide the ultimate travel experience. It features a luxury private space that can accommodate up to 4 people, with a private door and a fully light flat bed. The suite also includes entertainment options like a widescreen monitor and a noise-canceling headphones, as well as personalized dining options. Additionally, there is a helpful staff member available to attend to your needs throughout your journey. Qatar Airways Qsuite is a popular choice for those traveling in business or first class who want to experience the most luxurious and comfortable travel possible. Amenities Kit is a luxurious collection of products that ensures passengers feel refreshed and comfortable during their flight. The kit features premium quality skincare and a dental product such as a lip balm, moisturizer, toothbrush, and toothpaste. It also includes earplugs such and an eye mask. This kit is available for all classes with a different product between first class, business class, and economy. The latest editions of the kit features a new selections of items, including an antioxidant-rich night cream. Overall, it is thoughtful additions to the passenger experience, helping reduce stress and promote relaxations while traveling with Qatar Airways. It's because our connecting flight from Qatar to Frankfurt, Germany at 31:40 in the morning. I don't have an energy to enjoy but to sleep. And I try to be awake for a moment because I'm excited what Qsuite can offer to their guest traveler from the service, food, and their ambience. After the welcome drinks, they serve us the light meal before we sleep. This will be a vegetable soup along with a mixed starter plate with a choice of your drinks. Business class toilet area is really spacious than from the economy area. They have also some extra amenities items available such as toothbrush, toothpaste, refreshing tissues, and a luxury items of lotions, perfumes, and a liquid soap. During the sleeping time, your feet go in a footwell under the next seat, but there is also some storage available here. There was a blanket provided, which is silkier on the one side and more fluffy on the other side. There was a cushions on the seat as well. You can always ask the crew to make up your bed if you want a nap, even though on a day flight, and they will provide a mattress toppers as the seats are a little firm for me to sleep. I find the Qsuite very comfortable for alonging and sleeping. Although, as I said, that they are quite hard when lying down, particularly if it's a newer aircraft. The seats positions can control in the multiple ways, which I like as a footrest is a little too far for me to reach without shifting the seats forward a bit. As well as a sleeping, longing and easing preset, you can adjust things like bumper support and move chairs forward and backward. I also like that you can use the do not disturb sign for when you are sleeping with a door closed. I do not find a claustrophobic when the door closed at all, but I think it feels more spacious when you have the ottoman between you and on the L side. Before we landed in Frankfurt, they serve a breakfast and I choose mango yogurt, croissant, and a fruits, along with a hot and a cold drinks. I have my hot chocolates and an orange juice. You can choose whatever you want on your breakfast, and they have a lot of choices like a cheese, cereals, and a ham. This is my thoughts and experience flying business class in Qatar Airways. It's my first time to fly Qatar Airways in a business class, especially to experience their Qsuite business class. But I've been flying business class in other airlines, knowing that Qatar Airways set as standards for being the best airlines in business class. And as per my experience, they never lost their touch and are still in the lead for being best business class service. Qatar sets the high expectation for me to fly other Boeing aircraft soon. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Thank you for your love and support to my channel. Feel free to leave your comments about what did you saw or any feedbacks that will help my channel to improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Stay safe and take care.